The New Hampshire Department of Education, New Hampshire Accessible Educational Materials Center have announced the arrival of Lego Braille Brick kits from the American Printing House for the Blind, an official partner responsible for distributing Lego Braille Bricks. Lego Braille Brick kits are offered free of charge by the Lego Foundation and have been designed to be used with an educational curriculum that is led by a teacher. Braille is an essential tool for young people who are blind or visually impaired. The Lego Foundation designed the bricks as a fun way to teach and reinforce Braille skills while learning through play.
Hi, I'm Gabby. I'm really excited because I just got the new Lego Braille Bricks. They're actually pretty cool. So, yeah. So once you take this off and you flip it around, you'll notice there's the whole alphabet and numbers on here, and all the math symbols such as plus, minus, equal, division, and multiplication. And they're really cool because you can play with them and learn, and having a Braille teacher with you is encouraged. Anyways, yeah, BRL is GRT, meaning Braille is great.
Lego Braille Bricks are being distributed to APH ex officio trustees who will work to distribute to teachers and classrooms. The Lego Foundation's hope is to ensure many years of learning by having them passed down from student to student. Want to learn more about Lego Braille Bricks? Contact New Hampshire AIM ex officio Mary Lane at 603-271-3740 or mary.lane@doe.nh.gov, or contact New Hampshire AIM ex officio assistant Barbara Dauphiné at 603-271-3791 or barbara.dauphiné@doe.nh.gov.